Oh, let me go check out the water. Me soon come. Jamaica good life. It is not a cub life or a shub life. This is Jamaica good life. Yo, it's been such a long time doing it, you know. MoBay. This is how we stay in MoBay all day. Look at the nice, beautiful children. No swim zone. That is for the kids. Is that for the kids? Oh, really? This is Jamaica. Yeah, man. Family. Bring your family. This is what life is, people. I'll go check the water, see. Wow, sand is soft. The sand is clean. Let's see the water. What the water feel like? People, water nice. Water nice, people. People, I feel rated, man. Wow. So I can make it every day. It's affordable. It's affordable. Yes. Yeah. Yes, people. You see? Wow. You see? Amazing. So if you go to the Icon Mall, Google the Icon Mall in MoBay. Come off of the airport at 6 o'clock. Whenever you book your flight in Jamaica, what you have to do is just get the car, man, and make him keep the things in the car. And I almost lost my slippers. And the slippers is saying, where's Randy? You know? Let me tell you something, people. You know, live with an enjoy on yourself, yeah? Life short, you know? Very, very short. And I can't come on the beach every single day when I live in MoBay. Every day. So I brought our supporters. Jenny, I'm happy you're here, getting some sun. You know what I'm saying? You feel good? We did it. We conquered one more place. Tomorrow we go conquer Negra. Get some food. You good? You're hungry? You look hungry?
Yeah,
A lobster?
An adult beverage, no lobster.
An adult beverage. Now, what is your favorite beverage?
Anything. I like alcohol. I like vodka and I like tequila. You know,
so you
rum. I could, you know, take in the.
You could drink like a Russian.
All right.
You have the Russian appetite for alcohol?
No, I don't have the Russian appetite. But when I do indulge, I like a little clear red beverage.
Jennifer is a rumhead. Jennifer is a rumhead.
Did they turn off the water?
Huh?
No, this is not my thing. I'd go further down. What? We'll just wash out.
Later, people. So this is Kelly's.
Water sport.
Is Kelly Jamaican?
Yes.
She's a Jamaican lady.
Both of them, husband and wife.
Jamaican?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. She's there.
She's there too?
That's the wife right there. And husband is there as well.
So this is their company?
Yes.
Wonderful. I'm going to interview them. Look here, people. Single tank drive 60 US, double tank drive 100, equipment rental 220, and refresher. I'm going to interview Kelly.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. You guys are live. Let me tell you something. This is a 2030 thing. Only they know the future now. This is like. Did you see the design of this brochure? Who designed that brochure? We're not going to answer. This is the water sports. So you could get a banana if you want to go out. Yo.
You could do the parasailing.
The parasailing. Wow. I'm impressed. I believe so we'll save money and I'll just get one spoon. You know what I'm saying? Because if she just said 3 spoons, I know say money. How much this cost? So you divided, what was it, like $4, $4.50?
Normally the price is $650, but on a Wednesday.
On a Wednesday?
Thursday you get a discount.
Really? Well, tell the people at Devon House they have to become a sponsor. I love the place. I'm proud of you guys. Keep up the good work. Keep the positive energy. There's hope for Jamaica after all. Nice meeting you, Mr. Cunningham.
Alright, so
We'll see you again soon. Respect, love. You know, that is what I'm talking. Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly! Let's interview Miss Kelly. Wow, look at this place. And I have my ice cream.
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing? My name is Randy Pottinger from Jamaica Good Life, a YouTube channel. And he told us about you guys. So you can get free promotion if you speak to me nicely.
How are you doing?
Hi, my name is Randy Pottinger. The camera turned that way. It's filming right now.
Not a problem.
From Jamaica Good Life, and they told us about your company.
No.
And we're proud that you're owner.
Yes, very proud. Right.
And we want to interview you to give some free promotion. So while I eat my ice cream, walk with me. Show me your enterprise.
All right. This way right here.
Uh-huh.
So this is Kelly's Water Sports. We've been in operation for over 11 years now. However, due to the pandemic, we were closed for 3 years. So we just started back here at Harmony Beach.
Kelly, we are proud of you.
Sport. Yeah, thanks.
The whole world. Were you interviewed before?
No, not really.
So I'm your first.
Yes.
Look at this.
Look at this.
This is. Whose vision was it? Your husband? You and your husband?
Both of us.
Mm-hmm.
So we're in Montego Bay. We have the clear kayaks.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the ocean without even getting wet. We have different multicolored kayaks, and we have the banana, the tubing. It's a one-stop shop. Parasailing, scuba diving.
Kelly, see if something on my head, lick it out for me. You see it? Thank you. All right, good. Good. So
Parasailing. So we have some wonderful activities here. And the greatest out of all is the marine park is right here, where we have some wonderful dive sites.
So now they cleaned up the beach. It seems like this beach was constructed.
Yes.
And how old is it? Well, look at Kelly Water Sport. How much boat you have, Kelly? I went to Kelly have yachts. I feel yacht them out there too.
All 5 boats.
All 5 boats are yours.
Yes.
Oh, look for you now, Kelly. How come the world don't know about you? I'm proud of you.
Nice, man.
Well,
Thanks.
so now look at this. So now for people in the States, they should come to Harmony and
Beach Park.
Beach Park and talk.
That's where the fun is.
It's so beautiful. No,
Yes.
that's for kids?
Yes, that's for kids.
Wow, I'm so proud of you guys. So the parasailing, you have that too?
Yeah, we do have parasailing. That's the parasail boat right up there.
Mm-hmm.
We call it Natural High.
Natural High. Wow. And you rent your stuff here.
Yeah.
You get busy. What day is a busy day?
We just started out about 15th of October, so we haven't
What?
seen a busy day as yet.
So this is brand
Here,
new.
Right here is brand new.
So that's why I didn't know about it. So
Yeah.
we can just take the kayak and just go out with me.
Yes.
Wow. And if we have a little fish, how far can I go?
We stay within eyesight so we can see you.
There's no fish out there, right?
There's a lot of fish out there.
Really?
Yeah.
So I can bring my fishing hook?
You're not supposed to fish in the Montego Bay Marine Park.
Got it.
In the marine park.
But
one of the things is you go on a clear kayak, Right in the dark area is a lot of coral reef,
Mhm.
so you get to see the coral
So I'm the
reef.
first filmmaker actually seeing this vibe. Jamaica. This is Jamaica good life. So now, are you proud of MoBay? What you saying about the crime and all that stuff? What do you say now?
Oh, we just need to tighten up on that. It's a little bit loose, and that is one of our biggest downfall at the moment. The crime. You know.
Well, we're proud of you. I got my ice cream. I'm sorry,
Yes, sir.
but Kelly, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try out the thing. Them. Give me some prices.
It's right here.
It's on the.
Yeah.
Some have the flyer.
You have the flyer with all the prices.
I love you.
Everything.
Respect and
Anytime.
honor. You're just a national hero. Show the woman them say what they can afford. If I'm Kelly about them and everything, hey, people watching yourself. Love. Later, Kelly. People, this is Jamaica good life. It's not a cub life. I told you. It is Jamaica good life. And see the ice cream there. No, sir. A 5 what Kelly have. Your jacket, and we are gonna get the. And you're coming out in the raft.
Yeah.
Okay.
Going to the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need some help? You have a lot going on.
I have a lot going on. Need an assistant. Now you happy you came to the park?
Yes.
Ice cream, Devon House and Kelly Waters.
You don't have it's a glass bottom boat. 3,000.
It's amazing.
3,000 person.
3,000 person for the glass bottom boat.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Wow. Jeez, this ice cream is no joke. The sun, no normal.
So just step out and start to know.
People. When they ever talk about MoBay bad again, me slap on the mouth. No, I mean I shouldn't be violent. But you know what I say? Don't talk about bad about everything.
Yeah, everything has balance.
Everything has balance. Where's the coconut tree? What them say about MoBay? I just around this year. Everywhere good life go, all night, all day, has to be good things and good people. So I ain't go and talk about MoBay. MoBay, people on love on yourself, we now make them dash here because a couple of bullets and things. We can't just wipe off MoBay, and that's why Jamaica Good Life has to spotlight it. You know, we have it MoBay. Make sure you know say Jamaica Good Life put on up on the map, so people come back to MoBay, and the people that will leave, and Paul, Escobar, Kevin, this is for Uno, that Jamaica Good Life really show MoBay in such a way. It's Portland and Montego Bay. Trust me, it will only get more expensive because now that you have the Harmony Park, the real estate value has gone up now exponentially in Montego Bay. So when you watch YouTube and you don't see this kind of beauty, you kind of turn away. There's Devon House. Big up to Devon House, a scoop of Jamaica. And the people that you guys hire at this Devon House, well, they must really get them a raise. The person, and whoever watching this film from Harmony Park Management, there's a lady at the front gate,
I forgot her name.
a light-skinned lady. She's the nicest thing in Jamaica. I wrap her up and put her in a handbag and make sure she teach people how to be nice.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And the second most nicest person is Mr. Cunningham from Devon House. We give him a 5-star for niceness. And another nice person, third, is from Yardies. They get the other star. The man? I don't remember.
Wow.
But there's 2 dirty wash car people. When I still look for a car wash that is good. We found our fruit lady, the market lady with the tangerines. We found her. Of course, there's Marcia, crude oil, and then you had some food at Mr. Wong.
Yes.
And the breakfast was amazing. Then you're gonna get your lobster. You're gonna eat your lobster at 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you. So you can see that there's things to do right here, MoBay. Now you're kind of getting the vibe now. So because we're gonna do the water sports soon, right?
You're going to do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're going to Israel.
Okay.
We're gonna check out Murphy's.
I have a massage.
And you're getting your massage. You did your nails today. That was another excitement. Did you? We met another nice person. Stacy. You did your nails. Place up running for the kids, man. Look at the vibe. Look at the young Jamaicans that should join us. Basketball court too. $200 to come. It's very affordable. The bike.
Everywhere you go, you have one or more. Don't have every now and every way. Don't have.
Yeah. But the good thing is, there's security, guys. No foolishness can. Oh, there's ours on the fireside. What them sell there? Jerk chicken and stuff. How you doing? Now people, this is Harmony Park. We're having a Harmony deal, especially because Devon House is here, so you could have your ice cream. How much was one of the ice cream? 600. 600. It's Thursday discount. So before, how much would the ice cream be? 650. Them just cut off $50. I have to go call Devon House and say, no sir, me a Jamaica Good Life should be a sponsor. This show is sponsored by Jamaica HealthWorks. Go to JamaicaHealthWorks.com and there you'll get your high blood pressure tea, and for the women that can't sleep and the men, you get the settlement nerve. Women having hormone problems, you get the hormone balancing tea. So we have high blood pressure stuff at JamaicaHealthWorks.com, and you sign the waiting list and one of our representatives will contact you immediately. Diabetes, not a problem. You want to lose weight, not a problem. You get the tummy tuck tea. Then you get the starter box to clean yourself. I lost a lot of weight. I'm stronger now. Sea moss, everything. Jamaica Health Box is nothing but the best health products coming out of Jamaica. This ice cream is good. This is Jamaica Good Life. This is my home, people. I bike here. So when I told you the vision of Jamaica, and I told you that this country is going to have an amazing future, many didn't believe me. When you hear the word Montego Bay, I want you to think differently. Never listen to just come see for yourself. Come experience for yourself. The children, the peace and tranquility, the bikers. Real estate in Montego Bay is going out the roof. Buy what you can now. Whether you rent it out or whatever. Do not wait. Don't listen just to YouTube. There's a lot of people who just look for negative energy. And there's a lot of positivity going around, but negativity is easier to sell than positivity. And this is why people support our program. This is why they support our show. For so long, we've been promoting the positive side of Jamaica. So there's Kelly Water Sports, so you guys support her. All right, this is Randy, Jamaica Good Life. Until next time.